Get down, sir. Get down. Get down, sir.
Ain't no problem with that. You got your cameras on? You got your cameras on?
I do, sir.
Alright, you straight.
You're not under arrest. I'm just securing you.
Alright, no problem.
See the other hand, please.
It's getting a little slow here. Holy! You see him? So yeah. Pretty good.
It's like gridlock, so he's right in front of us. Can't really go too far.
We're going like 30 miles an hour.
Hey, can we get the state troopers on pass him and help us out?
Alright, open the window. Open the window.
Hey, LT, I got him on the other radio.
Shift over.
Alright, guys. He's going the wrong way.
Breaking. Dude, we can't go the wrong way, Mike.
Alright, he got off the on-ramp to 84, going back into West Hartford.
We can't. That's how fucking those dudes got jammed up.
You know what? Let West Hartford know, dispatch. I don't know what exit that is. It's right off the exit 43.
You can beat him if you go that way.
Yeah.
10-4. Bristol's being notified. West Hartford copies.
Alright, hold on, let me clarify this. Did he get on the highway the wrong way or just the ramp to get off the wrong way? So we cut over the grass. It's the on-ramp to get onto 84 westbound.
Should be Park Road. Park Road exit in West Hartford.
Yep. Park Road. Alright, you guys are behind him now. Going the wrong direction, correct? Nope. We got off the correct exit. We're going the back track.
You gotta be up here, right?
Yeah, to the left. That's where we'll come out.
No, didn't cause any 31s on the highway that you saw, right? Negative.
To the left. It's coming out.
I followed it a long way.
Are they
West
following?
Hartford now. Came off to 42 on Park Road. I don't see it. West Hartford. I see a bunch of West Hartford. They're going code 3 Central. Let's find out where they are. Yeah, we're behind them, LT. We are on Hartford Road, eastbound. Coming back towards Hartford? Yeah, 10-4. I don't see our target car, but there's a bunch of them going code 3. Central, confirm with them, please, because we followed them nowhere before. Yeah, I got it on the state radio. They're behind us.
They got it?
Yep. Alright, coming back towards the city. Let's lay out some strips at the city line, somebody. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get out on Park Road and Park. I don't see it yet. West Hartford reporting they are not behind the car.
From West Hartford, they do not have eyes on it. Last seen on Park Road somewhere.
What?
Alright, everybody shut it down. Let's just stand out and see if we find it somewhere else. Just called that, huh? Places for him to go. Hartford just shut the on-ramps from Park Road off, please.
Be advised, state's out here with a dog already, too.
79, I know the look. Female secure. Any state down there, or you have him with the dog? I don't know how to get there yet.
But don't you think someone will call?
That's exactly what I just said to Phil. If he was running across the highway with so much traffic, somebody would have called in somebody running across the highway. I think, anyway. And this fence goes all the way down, too. He would have had to go right here.
786.
786.
Hey, a better description I got from the friendly is Hispanic male, like 6 feet, long dreads, blue jeans, black t-shirt.
Copy.
Dark complexion, right? Yeah, darker Hispanic male.
Dude, the thing that
We're launching the aerial eyes this way.
no one called in a crash though?
Where's the car?
Up there in the woods.
Exit 41 sign, down to the left.
I'm gonna have to go to command room.
No, I'm just thinking, no one called in a car driving the wrong way
I know,
and they
right?
crashed and got
I
out.
had to bring it up when you got something on there.
Michael,
Chase them. I'm like, we can't
No,
chase people
dude.
down.
That is 100%.
Officer.
Got one of ours as well.
Well, this is perfect.
33 route with Canine.
I don't even have my phone. I don't even know where my phone is. Hey, Darren.
How are you?
Classmate?
Okay, for
That's making me nervous.
west, right before you get off that exit.
Was that you down there? Or you have two
Turn
dogs?
around back onto the highway.
I'll come with you.
It's right where that I-ramp leads out. So I don't know if I'm trying to have the perimeter.
Hey, what was that? West Hartford's running.
Trout Bookings Boulevard. I'm getting from a West Hartford officer right now. Trout Bookings Boulevard.
It's way down there.
That's far, right?
I'm right here right now.
More than we can walk.
I'm sorry, what was that last thing? They got him running somewhere? Trout Brook and Boulevard. From West Hartford officer. Don't break the area down here, but whoever's ready to go up. Alright, we got Boulevard pretty covered. 1424 Boulevard, so we got a dog house, so we'll come out. What's on the street north of Boulevard? Cops over there. I think that's Park Road, right? I don't know, Tone. North.
No?
Yeah,
He just sold us a gun, but
last time we saw him, going north.
we don't know his
We're just
identity.
going to take in at Kingswood School off of Kingswood Road.
Yeah.
Hey guys, hold on. West Hartford's running, so I don't know. I don't have any ears. Yeah, that's a camp to the school. I'm going to West Hartford. Yeah, I don't want to break this perimeter down until we're sure that's our guy. Let's make sure that isn't a band I ran for something else, you know what I mean?
That kind of looks disturbed down there.
I got you, LT. I'm stepping out with Abby right now on Avalon. I got the right guys. You guys can break down the perimeter. Great job. Yeah, that's all right, great work, great work.
That's it?
All right, guys, we can break down the perimeter here.
He's all muddy, he's all muddy.
Yep.
This, I was
Hey, whoa, get down, sir. Get down.
Hey.
Get down, sir.
Ain't no problem with that. You got your cameras on? You got your cameras on?
I do, sir.
Alright, I'm straight.
You're not under arrest. I'm just securing you.
Alright, no
Put
problem.
the other hand, please.
Shit. I give you my name, everything. Right
Stand up
now.
for me a second.
I can't stand.
27 Avalon. Could I get somebody from Hartford to get ID, please? 27 Avalon. Relax.
Well, I'm running with West Hartford. I'll let you guys know in a second.
Hey, what you doing?
Well, stand by. I'm with West Hartford. They're saying one in custody. Matching that
Relax,
description. 47 Vincent. If somebody can go there on ID.
relax.
Yep, I'm running over there.
Hartford sentencing units your way.
Hey, if I'm coming over, I got him secure. 27
What
Avalon.
kind with that? That's not me, sir. Come on, relax. You got the wrong
All right,
person.
I'm saying Vincent. I guess it's
Give me my
Vincent.
name, Aiden Adorno.
It's not 27 Vincent.
Yeah, relax. What's up?
No, I'll 27 Avalon. That's where I am with a party. 27 Avalon. Nobody. Danny, you're too low. Nothing's coming over. Okay, second.
Oh, yeah.
Party secured. I believe believe it's him.
Listen.
Someone could maybe identify 27 Avalon.
Look for him.
All right, there we go. 27 Avalon, Abby.
452.
So I just came from. I was working out. All right. No problem.
Where's your ID?
Even the door.
Detective Fly, if you're there, can you just confirm when you guys know if that's the target? Yeah, I don't want to break this perimeter down until we're sure that's our guy.
Tell him to keep chasing.
Let's make sure this isn't a panhandle that ran for something else, you know what I mean?
Alright, we'll figure it out.
I got you, LT. I'm stepping out with Abby right now in Avalon.
Yeah. Hell no, that's not
I got
me,
the right guy.
man. What are you talking
You got
about?
your breakdown of perimeter, great
You got
job.
the wrong person, man.
Yeah, that's
That's not me.
Alright, great work, great work.
You know what's my name?
Alright,
Even
guys,
the
we can
donor.
break down the
You got the
perimeter
wrong
here.
person. I'm trying to
We'll
tell
still
you.
need to hold the ramp getting
Even the
onto
donor.
84 West from Park Road, but we probably don't need to hold the
Listen,
east
hell
if
no.
you want to relay that. You know what, I got to stay here. I'll talk to them directly. Disregard that last.
I want that. What do you
Well,
want?
just let us know if we just keep everything close for now.
I was just working out.
LT, quick eye call.
Ask the guys in the school, man.
Can I get a couple DNA guys to stand by with this vehicle down here too?
There's no problem with that.
Ricky, hit me on the phone. Agami, that's you holding the ramp down there? I was down for it, sir.
What'd you tell yourself?
I kept looking at him. Then he started doing push-ups, and I'm like, nah, this don't mix.
Yeah, Agami, just hold it for another minute or two, alright? Appreciate it, thank you. Time for it.
Yeah, just go over there real quick.
Hey, Abby, I'll get my cups later.
We'll switch about, yeah. I'll switch about.
You got his ID?
You got the wrong person.
Amen.
I tell you. You heard me? No.
There's a lot of money. I didn't go through it.
$500 on it. Yeah. About $500, $520 or something.
I see.
Okay, great job, thank you.
Yeah, please,
Our guy.
What is it?
I got, listen.
Yeah, come here. Let me fix those cuffs up for you. Yeah, come on. Step out. I'm out.
Almost had it.
You got the wrong person, I'm trying to tell you.
Okay. I don't. The best part is that I'm not even.
Keep your hand like this.
I was just trying to help out my detective.
Whatever.
That's between you and him. I'm gonna get in my car and drive home.
Hey, you good to unpatch this?
Hold on.
So maybe some patrol cars can get a car. Yeah, absolutely. That's a good idea. Central, can we take this to the TAC 1? Anyone who's still out here to the TAC 1? And
You got haircuts on him?
we should probably make sure anybody that was helping out is all set.
I was just adjusting because it's just real twisted.
You the first one?
I see.
All each responded for Park Road at 84. Then I could take this traffic to TAC 1.
Yeah, it was 27.
Just continuing to patch. 44.
Thank you from all the help from all the units, Central. Great job, obviously, as always. Top notch. Jones Leonard, you out here? Jones Leonard? Central, if we have any 30s or anything that come in,